Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and may be excited for my class. So I am here to teach you SST Standard 3, Chapter 19, and the chapter name is Our Government. So we are talking about the government in our country, that different basic roles of the government. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludo, Carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. You can complete your project work also. You can give your time in your study also, in reading, and in fact to improving your handwriting. Please follow all the guidelines which government has told us to follow due to this virus. Because of this virus we can die also, so it's better that we can protect ourselves and our family from this virus. And please complete your all homework in good handwriting, in legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. So whenever the school will open, I just want all the homework. I have all the records, so it's better that you should also complete your all homework on time. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. Whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from this virus. Follow all the guidelines which government has told us to follow due to this virus and stay at home. So we are talking about our government, and from today we will start the level of the government topic. So before that we will take a short look at what we have learned earlier in this chapter related about the government. If you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So let's start the chapter. Now we are talking about the government. Government is like suppose that at home your parents or elder look after you, that in fact they give you food, clothes and shelter. They make sure, and in fact they make the rules so that you should follow some rules at home and you will be safe from danger things. Like example, your parents, you have to water the plants or make your bed properly every day. So it's the rules that you have to follow at home. Exactly at the same thing in this school, the teacher is always look after you whenever you are in school. They explain you the lesson, help you to study, then they just tell you how to be in discipline, how to respect the elders. So we have to also, in fact they also make some rules that we should follow at school, that you have to follow in school, like that you have to finish your homework that given to you in school. So these all type of whatever the rules is there, we have to follow anyhow. So like exactly in the same things in our country too, we need someone to take care of us and make us so that and we have to follow that rules. So that is a government. So this all work is very important, and that all work they are just took care of it. That is a government. Government is what? It is. So the government is like a group of people who rule in a country, who make the laws, and we have to follow that rules. So there are government is there. Now there are different types of government in the world. Now we are talking about in the world, not in India. So like there are two types of government: monarchy and democracy. Monarchy is what? Like some countries which are ruled by kings and queens. So that type of government is called a monarchy. And the democracy is what? Like in India, do not have any king and queen, but the government of India is chosen by its people, the citizen of that country. So that type of government is called a democracy. Now we have three basic rules: roles of the government. First of all, to make some laws, and to everyone have to follow that rules and laws. Second, to make sure that these laws are followed or not. And the third is to punish those who break these rules. So these all three basic rules of the government, and the government is always there to make sure that all the citizens of the country, they are following these all rules or not. Now about the function of government. Government is what? They provide us a lots of things. In fact, they make our life much easier, better. Like they make our life safe and comfortable also. First of all, like they maintain the law and order to make sure and to look after our safety. Second, it protects our country from the another country, foreigner country who will attack the enemy's country. Third, it looks after the basic needs of the citizen of the people, like the food, water, electricity, etc. Then it builds the important public facilities also for all the citizens, like schools, colleges, libraries, hospitals, parks, roads, railway lines, etc. It just built friendly relations with the other countries. So whenever the enemies will come and they will attack, then we have the friendship relations. So we will go together and then we can fight. So the government, they always make the friendly relations with our country, with other countries. They look after all the natural wealth, like the monuments, forest, wildlife, rivers, and they make sure that all the people of the country, they are just following the rules or not, and the countries and make rules for the work and for business. Like suppose in natural disaster case, like in flood and earthquakes, or maybe in man-made disaster like the terrorist attack, the government, they just look after the affected area of that people. In fact, it provides them with the food, with the clothes, and with the temporary shelter also, medical aid also. In fact, the government, they rebuild the affected areas, the house. So like these type, government is very helpful for us, and we have to follow the government rules. So now our today's topic is the levels of the government. So let's start. The government in India has 3 levels. Please underline it. It's very important. So from there you can underline the government in India. The government in India has 3 levels: the central government, the state government, and the local self-government. The central government, the state government, and the local self-government. So we have a 3 level of the governments in India: central government, state government, and the local self-government. Self-government, now it means that we are talking about the whole country. We are talking about the whole country, about all, like it's suppose we are talking about country India, then if central government is there, then we are talking about the India government. State government means in each states, like in Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat, like in any states of the government. And local self-government, like in every town, cities, and villages. So we will look after these all the 3 government. So first of all, we will talk about the central government. The central government is based in the capital, New Delhi. So the central government, it is always based in the capital, like India's capital, New Delhi. So in capital, New Delhi, all the buildings and like the houses where the ministers, all the central government people, local, all they are just sit there in the capital, central government, like New Delhi, and they make the decisions, and that they pass the decision from there, and we have to follow that all rules. So the central government is based in the capital, New Delhi, because India's capital is New Delhi. It looks after the entire country. It looks after the entire country. Entire country means we are talking about the India. So it looks after all the India, all the safety for the Indian people. things which are important for whole country. In fact, the central government, it takes care of the things which are very important for all the country of India, like protecting the country from foreign attacks. Like sometimes you can see that China's and we have a war, so the central government, they protect us from the foreigner attack. Now what was the things that how the central government, they protect us from the things, that we will see in the next videos. So please guys, watch the next videos. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.